Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nurini Shazana binti Muhammad Nazri as the marketing leader of this team. Today, me and my assistant leader Nur Elana Shahira are going to introduce to all of you our new business, which is a bakery. Our bakery name is Filas Bake. I will give a little introduction of this presentation. A cake. I'm sure majority of people love to eat cake. A cake is something like common thing in our life. If people do not love to eat cake, they would buy a cake for a special event like birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day and more. Why people need cake in their life? Firstly, cake will add more happiness in our life. If we had a bad day and a very stressful day, then we eat a very beautiful and tasty cake. We will feel better. It will also add more happiness in special event because by including a cake, you can make your celebration more special, delicious and joyful. Secondly, it makes a good way of celebration. Because cakes are taken as the best way of celebration as it hangs around the people until the cake is cutting ceremony complete. A cake who is a person who is the main star of the party gets the attention of people. It allows people to eat, sing and play, which makes the environment more enjoyable and find excitement. Lastly, a cake for any occasion. Everyone has their own special day and occasion, which they celebrate using a cake. Example, birthday parties, wedding parties, anniversary celebration, Hari Raya and others. It just adds a new flavor to your way of celebration. This is our business logo, Filas Bake logo. And for our business trademark is there's always a room for cake. Why? Because a cake is a dessert that's pretty and tasty. The color, the beautifulness, the flavor and the taste of cake will complete our life. We will feel different after we eat a cake. That's why there will always a room for cake in our life. Production of our business. Our business, Filas Bake. Filas Bake is a bakery that offers many flavors of cake. Filas Bake offers custom cake service for customers to choose their own design of cake and their own decoration of cakes. Filas Bake. Why did we choose Filas Bake as our bakery name? Fila name is inspired by a beautiful flower called Fila or known as jasmine flower. Basically, our shop concept is based on Fila flower. Fila is a beautiful and unique white flower, so we want to attract our customers by the beautifulness of our shop concept. We also want to attract customers by the uniqueness of our shop name because people will get curious what is Fila. People will think that Filas is a name of a person, but it is actually a jasmine flower. So we want to attract them from their curiosity of our shop. Next, target market. So who is our target market? Our target market is individual that love cake. Individual that love cake will get easily attracted to our cake because they love cake, so it will be easy for us to attract them to buy a cake from our shop. Secondly, our target market is all individual that want to buy a cake for special day and occasion like birthday party, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Hari Raya, Chinese New Year and others. People will buy cake for special day and occasion to complete their celebration. Lastly, our target market is individual that want and prefer to custom the cake design. Many people love to design their own cake because it makes the cake more special, but not all cake shop offer custom design cake. So we want to attract our customer with our special custom design cake. Next, product. Introduce to you our product that our bakery could offer. We have 5 flavors of cake, which is chocolate indulgence, tiramisu cake, red velvet cake, mango cheesecake, and pandan gula melaka. These 5 flavors came in 2 sizes, which is in size 4 inches and 8 inches. We offer 2 size cake, small and big, because not all customers like small cake and not all customers like a big cake, so we offer both sizes for customers to choose. Our cake have the best ingredients. We did not use the common ingredients, we use the premium ingredients. For the butter, we use pure unsalted butter, not just a cheap butter. Other than that, our cakes have their own uniqueness. I will explain at the next slide. Firstly, chocolate indulgence cake. Our chocolate indulgence cake rich with the chocolate flavor. We use special chocolate to make the chocolate sauce. Our chocolate is thick. It is the best for chocolate lover. We use fresh raspberry to make the raspberry sauce. We do not use the raspberry jam because it does not taste as good as the fresh raspberry. Next, tiramisu cake. The uniqueness of our tiramisu cake is we use pure coffee powder to make our tiramisu have a strong taste of the coffee, and we also use little amount of custard sugar to reduce the sweetness. We do not want the sweetness to overshadow the coffee taste. Other than that, red velvet cake. Our red velvet cake is very different from others because we are using cake flour because it has a lower protein content than all-purpose flour, which creates a softer and lighter cake. We also use unsweetened cocoa powder in red velvet cake, so the cake even super chocolatey, but it has a hint of chocolate that is expected in red velvet cake, so it tastes more better. Furthermore, our mango cheesecake. We use mango fruit to make our mango puree instead of mango extract in the filling to mix it with the cream cheese. So our cake will have thick filling, which is a rich taste in mango with the thick cream cheese. Additionally, our pandan cheesecake. We use pure gula melaka and we add a pandan paste. So our cake will be very delicious and sweet with the pandan and pure gula melaka. Lastly, our custom design service. We could offer a different custom design cake. Customers could request any custom design and we try our best to design the cake as the customer requests. Now, I will inform to you the prices of our product. First of all, our cake's flavor may be the same as competitors, but the design, ingredients and taste are totally different. We offer the best quality and tasty cake at low price. I would recommend our cake for everyone with a good prices. As I'm explaining just now, we have 5 flavors of cake. Firstly, the famous chocolate indulgence cake that everyone loves. You can get our chocolate indulgence cake in size 4 inches for RM25 and size 8 inches for RM55 only. The next, red velvet cake that everyone loves. We offer red velvet cake in size 4 inches for only RM20 and for the size 8 inches for only RM45. Other than that, we have the delicious tiramisu cake for coffee lover in size 4 inches for only RM25 and in size 8 inches for only RM25. Moreover, you can get our signature premium mango cheesecake in size 4 inches for only RM25 and in size 8 inches for only RM55. Lastly, one of the classic cake that caters to the Malaysian palate, our one and only pandan gula melaka cake. You can get our pandan gula melaka cake in size 4 inches for only RM20 and in size 8 inches for only RM45. Additionally, we also offer for add-on custom design for only RM5. It is a very low price for add-on custom design because customers can choose any design that they want for only RM5.
Now, I'm going to explain our price value. Our bakery offer the best taste of cake at low price because we prioritize our product value more than the price as our company, using value-added pricing as our price strategy. We want to offer customers at low price because we want customers to satisfied with our product. We want customers to know our cake bakery as the bakery that offer low price but have the best cake. That is our personal branding. Moreover, we also offer low price for custom design cake and decoration. Why? This is because we want customer to try to custom their cake design in our store. We want customer to be satisfied with the design, so the customer will keep coming to our bakery to custom their cake. We want to attract customers. From that, we want people to know our cake store that offer the best custom design. So people will keep coming to our store to custom their cake. So they will be our loyal customer. That is also our personal branding. We also offer this price because we using competitive pricing. We will offer price that lower from competitors because we want to attract customers to come to our bakery. Lastly, market survey. We make a survey from our customer feedback and reviews of our product. We make observation both of the good reviews and the bad reviews. The good reviews, we take it as compliment to stay good in our product and service, but the bad review, we take it as an action to make things better for the customer. We make the observation of the reviews so we know what customers like and dislike. We also make analysis of our customer need and preference from the feedback.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Nuriyana Shahira binti Muhammad Karudin as assistant leader. Now I'm going to explain that one of the 4P that is Freya Bakery Place. Where our target market can get Philia cakes from? Of course, the main place which is our store, Philia Bakery, which we have set up in several branches of a state. This makes it easy for customer to visit our store and customer can see the cakes we have prepared as well as the many options to buy. Apart from the store, we also provide online service on our website and some social media such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and even TikTok. Customer can buy online without having to move. Just place an order and the order will be delivered to the customer home. We provide this service to make it easy for customers to buy in addition to mothers who have small children who are difficult from them to move. We also have an agent and dropship in each state where customer can place order with agent and dropship nearby. Next is the Philia Bakery promotion, where we make promotion in the price combo like buy 2 cake in another size such as 4-inch and 8-inch will get RM5 off, and where customer who buy 2 cakes in the same size can get free at custom design. Customer can request whatever type of design and pattern they want for free if they buy 2 cakes of the same size. But the price of this combo will only make on a certain day like Raya, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, reservation for weddings and engagement, and also special events. For our new customer, we give price incentive where they can get the coupons 10% and voucher as a token of appreciation for being willing to buy our products. They can use this incentive to buy cakes available in our store at low price. Also for a customer online, you can avail coupon for e-commerce store available on Philia website, so you can buy your dream cakes wherever you are. Considering the original amount of item you bought using coupons, you find that you receive a lot. A 10% off from every item you buy is already a good saving. It is one of the ways to attract more newbie customers in our bakery to visit our store more often and purchase our sweet cakes. Not forgetting our regular customer, we also give price incentives such as discount, reward points, and special offer as a token of appreciation for being loyal to our customer. Other than that, we also provide taster to incoming customers so that they can try and taste the flavor that suit their taste before buying. In addition to the taster, we also sell sample kits in cute packaging for each and offer for a trial amount of a product only RM4 per each. This is suitable for customers who want to try cakes from our store, especially for our new customers which feel hesitant to buy. As you guys know, in this era, almost 95% of traders in Malaysia, including successful entrepreneurs, use this online marketing as their main platform to promote and market their goods to the public. By using this social media, we can do business with user or customer through online and through social site easily without having to move, because the information is only at our fingertips. So we choose to use the website and social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and TikTok as our main platform to selling our kits. The purpose of our selling on the website is to make it easy for online customer to buy directly from us without a middleman. Not the website only, we also have social media where you guys can purchase through WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram with our agent and dropship. So you guys can check to order and they will provide good service for you all. Besides that, you guys can follow and see our TikTok where we always show the tutorial of decorating cakes and all about Philia Bakery. Next types of promotion is advertising. In advertising, we use the printed media such as magazine in baking magazine and flyers for special events. Electronic media and outdoor media also we use as advertising to market our cake store like billboard on highway, and we place banner in curtain areas to make it easy for customers to find. Other than that, we make paid media, either display ads on social media, paid review or sponsorship to artists, Insta-famous and YouTubers to review our product with the aim of attracting more customers to buy our product. The last promotion we use is content and direct marketing, where we use the live feed in Facebook and Instagram to post our product, make the video tutorial of decorating cakes and how we bake our cakes, and also we do some of techniques in soft sale and hard sale. Indirect marketing tools, we use the telemarketing to sell directly to consumer, like seeing the detail or promotion of our product through WhatsApp and SMS. Market research is a method to collect customer insight to understand whether our kids' product will work well with a target market or what type of change it can be done to be a feature to make it more adaptable to a market. The process of market research can be done through deploying survey, interacting with a group of people, also known as samples, conducting interview, and other similar process. Also, do the group focus that belong to diverse demographic and whose opinions and feedbacks are collected from market research. So, the conclusion is meeting the needs and tastes of customer well is a priority at the Philia Bakery. In our business team, certification customer is our key to always strive and improve what is lacking and always try our best for our dearest customer. Hopefully, what the customer get from us is as satisfactory as the customer want, as much as your order has met ours. So that's all from me. Thank you and enjoy your cake with a sweet smile.